Hi. Hello, we're in Berea here and you can see what they cook chicken feet here.
Em này được mấy chân rồi nè.
Đúng rồi. Barbecue with charcoal barbecue. And this is Vietnamese meat or raw rum.
4 cặp.
And quail. And shrimp.
Chín rồi, chín ngon vậy ngon ha, 3 cặp.
You can see there's a lot of so many people here. And this is longan from yeah. This is just picked from here. And some of these healthy drinks here. And here we have some chả giò cá. And this lady is rolling. She's rolling rice paper with green shoot and what's it? Heo?
Heo tôm.
Yes. And bún không? And this is Vietnamese dish here. It's very famous. Thank you, Jake. And this is whole chicken. This is mixed up in here, and they're selling. They put onions on top, fried onions on top.
170 chị ơi. 170.
170,000
$10.
Yep. So it's quite cheap here, and this is uncooked. And here's some char grill corn. You see this is fresh. Here. I like that. Okay. And you can see so many people here. And this is fresh. And this is banana coconut. So what else is there, Dan?
Cứ ngồi im đó đi, nói con chạy tới, đừng có đi lung tung. Nó sôi. Bây giờ thôi,
Don't go everywhere. And this is duck. No. Yep, this is duck. Yep, long. Baby duck. And with sauce.
mẹ để tí nha con. Tôi đi hết rồi.
Đôi nhịp chị này lắm. Here you go. And there is some nuôi ý, is it?
Bỏ vô hộp.
And there's some shrimps and can. Okay, this is very nice here. You see a lot of people eating here. And they're just eating some duck egg here. Hello. See, some Vietnamese around here.
Từ từ để em bưng cái này lại đây rồi.
And there's some more. And this is freshly with the embryo. Of the egg.
Đâu có bà chồng bên hông đó.
And you see there's a lot of people. Some people are shy. Có ngon không chị? Yes.
Ngon lắm anh ơi.
Ngon quá. Oh, okay, number one. Oh, đôi nhiều. Yeah, you can see they really like it. Yeah. Cảm ơn chị. And this is cái này cua hả?
Dạ ghẹ sữa à, con ghẹ sữa chiên giòn à.
Okay. This is baby crab.
Không, nó đang Rơi sức từ lúc mà người ta
and they're fried over there. See?
nó đã bị đâm sức rồi.
Dạ ở biển à. Cái này em lấy ghe ghe lú á.
And he's putting some
Ghe lú với
chili
ghe cào
sauce
là em không
on
lấy. Ghe
there.
cào là ghe đi xa ngày, còn ghe lú là ghe đi trong ngày.
And this lady is having a baby.
Baby ngủ rồi.
Chờ em coi, tìm em coi. Người đi chơi rồi.
Okay, say hello everybody.
Hello.
Is it nice? Ngon không? Ngon, okay. Are you from Bà Rịa?
Bà Rịa Vũng Tàu.
Vũng Tàu, they are from Vũng Tàu. Yeah, and they mới ăn ốc, phải không? Okay, and cái này thịt gì?
Thịt nướng.
Thịt nướng. Okay, this is charcoal grill. Okay, thank you, bye bye. See you. And this lady is bọc kho bánh mì. Okay, hai người đẹp nè. Okay. And you can see this is a Vietnamese dish here. It's really very nice. And some spring rolls. Cái này chả dột cá. Oh, it's a fish. Okay, fish. And here we found some family here.
Hello bố.
Hello,
How are you?
hello mọi
Are you enjoying it?
hồi nãy giờ cái tưởng là mọi người đi lên trước rồi chứ.
Okay, so we cảm ơn.
Cái này được luôn á.
And this is they call in the ice cream democrat. It's got like smoky, and it looks like a lot of kids like it. It's something different, isn't it? It's got smoke as well.
Quay cho chú quay ạ.
Do you like it? Oh,
Này.
wow.
Answer him. You like it?
Do you like it? You like it very much? Okay, see? Yeah, check on.
She like it.
Okay, say hello YouTube.
Ngài không được.
Okay, cảm ơn.
Ngài không được.
And they're doing some more, some grilled meat. And three of these, my son is, what are you having?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're eating?
Skewers.
Skewers? What are you eating? You're good, So it's getting a bit dark here, and they're eating some oysters, and this is where they're selling fruit, trà sữa, and sữa chua. This is all the different Vietnamese fruits here, and this is really good for you. Sữa đằng, is it? Soy, some, it's a lot. Hello, chị. And here they have some chicken feet here, and some duck egg, more duck eggs here, and some from the embryo. So they're getting a bit repetitive now, but it's, if only you can smell what I'm smelling now. This is a lot of Vietnamese pizza here. And they have and some chicken feet and some duck eggs again. Hello YouTube. Hello. How are you? Hello.
Lâu quá mới gặp.
Oh, there they are. There's my. We've been looking for the family over here, and they're right over there. And hello YouTube, Dee. How are you? Is it long? Hello. You like it? Yeah. You're good. That's good. And these are some babies here, and we're going down the paddock. You can see quite a lot of people around here. Wow. There's a lot of people here, and slowly. And these people, and these people are from.
Xin chào.
Say hello everybody from from YouTube?
Hello.
Hello, are you from North Vietnam? From Hanoi?
Trân trọng cảm ơn
Are you from
nghệ sĩ
where?
Đào Huyền,
Ở đâu?
nghệ sĩ Hồng Tùng và nghệ sĩ
From here.
Hoàng Đắc đã
Ơi, có bánh tráng nữa nè.
Okay, hello YouTube.
đầu chương trình bây giờ thì những
See, these people are very nice. See?
có lẽ là
Yeah.
các khán
All
giả
right, thank you.
đang theo dõi trực tuyến bên này trên các nguồn tần số của chúng tôi.
And here, so we're catching up with the family here, and they're eating a lot of things as well. So,
This is nhãn longan.
longan.
Yeah. This is chicken
And
feet.
chicken feet. And there's a lot of
Chicken egg.
chicken egg.
Chicken egg drill.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gà nướng kêu bằng gì?
Chicken egg drill.
Char grill.
Ba
Char
nhãn
grill.
chưa? Ăn đi em, ngọt quá chừng luôn.
Đừng lo.
And what are you eating, mister? What are you eating? Satay, huh?
Yeah.
Chicken?
No.
No, what is it? Pork.
Yeah.
Thịt heo.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Thử không?
Oh, no, not yet. Yeah, I will eat it after.
Điểm gì mua nữa, mình xài gà, gà trứng đó chị bà ăn gà
Nè, con tiền nè, 20 nè.
Ăn là được, em ăn đi không
So
sao.
if you like this, and this is
to quá, thôi được chị không ăn, chị ăn đi.
Chị Nghĩa ăn cái gì? Bánh xèo.
Chị ăn bánh tráng nướng.
Oh,
Chị ăn này được rồi.
cái này it's like a Vietnamese, like a Vietnamese pizza.
To quá.
So, and they're eating. And ca sĩ nè. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Good. And you sing very well. Có ca hay không?
Yes.
Yes, yes I do. Okay.
Bây giờ anh thiết bị bụng mới trả lời được cái tiếng Anh là hết cứu. Hết cứu.